and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I have a couple more PaintGem to unbox for you. So I think there may be a little bit of a delay on my berries collection. So if you know, PaintGem released 3 sets 1 week and 2 sets another week, and by the time I got to look at the first sets, berries had sold out. So I kept an eye, and it did come back in stock at one point, so I ordered it, along with a couple of discounted houseplant sets that I've got people in mind to gift them to. But that one's not shipped yet, so I may have a look on it later on today to see if there's some sort of update. But I'm kind of guessing that they're waiting for more berries to be able to send it. But in the meantime, I have received the other 2 most recent sets. So we have Fiesta Mexicana edition and the Spring edition. So let's get unboxing these and have a look. So as usual, I'm getting these prepared for going into my stash, which I like to just cut the edges off this and they will get recycled, and I'll keep hold of these 2. But this is a quick overview. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 different ones in this Fiesta Mexicana edition. To show you the toolkit quickly, because I do show it in every sort of huge unboxing, but we have a white tray, plastic tweezers, a pen, 2 pen tips, wax, and a squishy for going on your pen, and each kit comes with that set. We have the diamonds, which don't have the name of it on anymore, so I do want to make sure that I put this on. Fiesta Mexicana, just because that will be easier when I end up going for them. But let's have a look at the actual colours, etc. So, they've 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So 33, 34, 36, 38, 42, 43 different colours in this one. So loads of options, and they are very bright colours, as you can imagine. So let's have a look at the paintings themselves. How fun are these for colours? Imagine these with diamond dust. I'm going to love doing these ones. Oh, I like that skull. That one is gorgeous. Absolutely love that one. Is B black? It is. So it's got black outline on that one. In fact, black outlines on a few. But I think they can definitely make paintings pop. Oh, we've got a landscape, piñata, a dancing cactus, chilies. Oh, a full-on skull. Few, of course, skull elements in this one, but lots of different variety between them. Lots of different colours. We've got another one, sombrero. Oh, love that one. That is gorgeous. And then we have another one, another skull, and some maracas. So lovely bunch, a set there. So let me pop those all in here, and then I like to pop my bit on the front and pop them into a bag. This is from old scrapbooking days when I used to get a little mini kit in this. But yeah, I still have bags left, though I'm getting low on them, I will say. Oh, we got a road diamond. And then let's have a look at the spring edition. So there's already summer and autumn that's out already. So maybe we'll get winter around winter time. Maybe they have got a few more on the cards for us this year. But these are the ones in the spring edition. Look like 16 again. Yeah. So we've got 16 again in that one. And then in the box itself, we of course have the toolkit. Oh, we have more. So that's 24, 40, 46 colours in this one. But again, some really nice bright colours. So let's pop spring on here. Make that easier for me for later. But yeah, 46 different colours in this set. And let's have a look at the actual paintings themselves. So we have a bird's nest. Are they pansies? Oh, lavender bouquet. No, that's, yeah, lavender bouquet. They call that one. Looks very pansy-like. We have some boots and trowel. What's this one? Pink hydrangea. Then we have what they call the blushing rose. A garden bridge. That one's beautiful. Tulip flower cart. Herb planter box. Cottage, oh, is that cottage fence garden? Yes, cottage fence garden. Double checking the pictures to the names as I'm going up. Heartfelt tulips. That's cute. Flower bicycle. Birdhouse garden. Floral bouquet. Though it's mainly a butterfly. Farmer's market basket. That one's cute. Love how that turned out. We have snowdrops. And then we have spring watering can. So love those little sets. Be quite nice having an extra, in effect, 4 different sets added in to my decision wheel for PaintGem. Because I think I might do PaintGem for June Waffle to go through a couple of sets. So I've already got Adventure kitted up, which may have 16. If it does have 16, I potentially only need another 1, depending on what my decision wheel picks. I may let my decision wheel decide, and then we can sort of mix up what paintings we do each day. But yeah, these are the 2 new editions from PaintGem. I do have a discount code down below, and PaintGem is linked down below. If you do find they're out of stock, do keep an eye. As far as I am aware, they are restocking. So do keep an eye on the website. And yeah, they seem to be back with full force with 5 new kits so far this year. So I'd be interesting to see what they come up with next time. Let me know which is your favourites, and of course if you've picked any up for yourself. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.